Hello and welcome again to Cooking Around's channel. For you today, another potato recipe. What is it? Salt and vinegar roasted potatoes. Now, nothing can be simpler than this recipe, but the flavor is outstanding. And these potatoes go with almost everything. Now here I have a nice dressing sauce. I will give you the ingredients in the description below. And this is perfect for a party, for a side dish. Now you can have them as crispy as you want. Here I have them roasted, but not really that crispy because this is the way I like it. Let me show you how to put this together. Get yourself a pot and add about 3/4 full of water, and let's keep the heat on high, and let's put in about 1 tablespoon of salt. Now let's add about 1/4 cup of white vinegar, but you can basically use any type of vinegar that you would like, even apple cider vinegar. Now let's take about 1.5 pounds of potatoes, and I have chopped them up into basically bite-sized pieces. Now if you want, you can use even sweet potatoes. Any type of potatoes will do. Now they have been boiling for a while, and now let's do the test. Grab yourself a potato and stab it with the fork. If it goes in easy, you know that it's ready and it's ready for the oven. Now let's remove all the potatoes into a strainer, and we're going to let it sit for a few minutes to let it dry out. But you noticed also here I kept the skins on. You can take them off if you want, but this is the way I like it. So we're just waiting now for it to cool off just a little bit and go through a little bit of the drying process. Now grab yourself a baking tray and put some baking paper on. Make your life easier. Just take those potatoes and just put it right down the middle, just like this. Now take some olive oil and just kind of drizzle it over the top like this, and just move it around very gently to make sure that the oil goes down to the bottom and around the potatoes. Now add here a little bit more salt if you want, and now in a hot oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit, let it go for 30 to 35 minutes, but every now and then give the potatoes a shake. Now here they are. For me, they're absolutely perfect. Now if you let it go a little bit longer, they'll be a little bit more on the crispy side if that's what you would like. So here we go. Take a look at this. The taste is really outstanding, and this can go with anything. So we reached the end of the video, and it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.